So here we are with Schoolwires, and what we want to do is create a page that has multiple things inside of it. So picture this is chapter 5.2 in your curriculum, and you've got everything on this page. You've got your PDF, you've got your Word document, say, got links to your Google Docs, you've got a video, whatever it may be. Everything is contained on this one specific page. So here's just a sample of it could be a Word doc. Here's what could be a PDF. Here's a link out to a YouTube video. We could put other things in here. So it's just sectioning a page off to make it more efficient for your end user. So how to do that? So now that we've logged into Schoolwires, we just want to click New Page. What I always recommend is let's start with a Flex page, Flex Editor page. So here we go, Flex page. Let's go ahead and give it a name. This also could be a subpage. So if your title is Chemistry, underneath Chemistry, it could be Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Unit 1, Chapter 3, however you want to organize that. So we're just going to make one up. I'm just going to pretend that's where we're at. Click Save. It says we've created the page and it's at the very bottom. So if we click Actions and go to Edit Page, this will come up. What we want to do is Manage Apps and Layout. So if we click that, we want to click Change Layout. This is where the last sample I showed you was just 3 columns. So we'll select that just for fun. Click Apply. Now we have our 3 columns here. What we want to do is add some apps into these. So if we click Add App, I'm going to add a number of links. So I want a link library. You could also do Flex Editor, but I'll just show you some different ideas here. Link library app. I'm just going to create a new one. Name it. Click Create, and it puts it over here. So if I click and drag, I can just drop it where I want it to go. I'm going to add one more over here just for fun. I'm going to click Add App, and we want to add some files. So I'll just call this File Library. Click New. Let's call it Document Resources. Click Create. Click and drag that back over. I want to choose I'm done. Now I have my 3 distinct chunks here on my page. Links to resources. If I just click on that, it's going to come here. I can say click new link, the title of the link, what the students are going to see. Here's this resource maybe they haven't heard of, Google. I give it a little description, and then this is where I put the direct web address. What I always recommend is going out to the actual web and finding the address and copying it directly from the address bar. That kind of saves you in the long run just in case you make a mistake or mistype something. Go ahead and click Save. And we'll choose a new link. Go back out to the web again. So I've got my 2 links here already set up. I'm going to click back to my section I'm working on. So I've got my links. I want to put my resources, my document resources. Just like setting up a link, click New File. I'm going to call this Supply List. Down at the bottom, I want to click Select File. It should go to your desktop, your whatever file folder system, wherever you have it. I'm going to scroll to find the document that I want to upload. Just going to pretend that was it. Click Open. And it will put it directly in the bottom for you, and you click Save. Just like the link library, you'll see it appear over here. I'm going to go back to my section. Flex Editor, click that. This is very similar to the other pages that you've experienced in the past. I can embed some HTML things. I can type. So maybe it's some video they have to watch prior to starting the lab, during the lab, after the lab, whatever it may be, some sort of supplemental material. So on the page, you'll have a video, documents, and links to give them that immersive experience that they need. So I found the video I want. I can click Share. I can go to Embed. Grab the embed code, go back to Schoolwires, put the space there, go to HTML, paste that code, click Save, and there it is. What I'm going to do is click Home. So here's the video that I found. Now what happens if I try to embed it is you see how it takes over a big chunk of the page. So I could do one of 2 things. I can either move this block down below this other one, or I can just give a simple link to the video. But if we want everybody to stay on the one page, maybe we want to embed it. So to fix this, I can go back. To fix this, I just go back to Manage Apps and Layout, and I want to click and drag. I'll drag this guy on top of that one. Click I'm done. Go back to our page and we can take a look. And it fits nice and neat. So here we are. We have our links, materials, supply list, documents, and a video all contained on one page.